Hello, and welcome to One Take. My name is Austin McCord, and I'm Datto's founder and CEO. Today, I want to spend a few minutes talking about probably my single most favorite feature that we rolled out in 2017, and that feature is fast failback. I can remember for years when MSPs end up having to do a BMR, this long, painful process that typically involves the tech staying up all night while a server copies all of its data from the actual Datto appliance onto the physical machine. This can take hours depending on the size of the server. And usually the MSP is there on site because they actually have to take downtime while that copy is happening. But thankfully, with fast failback, that's over. It's gone. No one has to do that again. While you can't get over the fact that it's going to take hours to copy all that information, that's just physics, what you can do is ensure that you have no downtime during that copy. Fast failback means that you can continue to run your server in a virtualized state while you copy all the data over. Then, when that copy finishes, you can shut that server down and just copy the last bit of changes since when your copy finished, and then reboot your primary machine and come back up and running, having fully completed your BMR. This means that the amount of downtime that a customer has to take is really only limited to the time it takes a server to shut down and boot back up. This has been an incredible technical achievement here at Datto, and it's something that took an enormous amount of work to make happen. For example, we had to be able to snapshot running VMs so that we could take backups of machines that were running transparently, and then we had to implement a process to copy all that information and continue to stream it across the wire so that we keep that machine up to date, and then make sure that we could do that HIR in an instant so that truly that downtime is just a single reboot. Our engineering teams worked long and hard on this, and we were able to deliver this year on this feature. It's, again, the thing that I'm most proud of what we accomplished last year in 2017. So next time you run into that case and you've got to do a dreaded BMR, luckily it's hopefully not going to involve a long night, and instead will be very easy and painless. So thanks again for tuning into One Take, and I'll see you all next week.